Yo!
It's the sound of the police.
Hi, how are you? Yo guys!
Hi, how are ya?
Welcome back to the channel for a special video today. So, we don't usually post on a Friday, but seeing as it's Halloween, we're going to do a little special. Today we're going to be carving pumpkins, and then we'll let you lot vote who's is best in the comments. So, first thing we're going to do, just crack on with it. I feel like, what's he called? Mike Myers.
Yeah. Right, yeah, so we're going to carve some pumpkins.
So, here it goes. Oh,
Jonah, we should have done this
I
off
just
camera.
stabbed it. Yeah.
Look into the pumpkin, look into the pumpkin.
Not around the pumpkin, not around the pumpkin. Into the
Into the pumpkin!
Bam! You're under.
It's so hard. Right. I just don't think I should be trusted with this knife. Oh, she's a big one.
Oh, this tablecloth's doing my head in.
Shut your face! If I weren't allowed to fringe, I'm having the tablecloth. Ew. I don't want to do this anymore. This is my room! Shall I nibble some?
Go on. You gotta eat and swallow it. Shall I nibble some but not eat it? Right, so from this moment on, this channel's going solo.
You can find me at Sasha
Prison.com. So we're gonna start carving. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm carving because it's gonna be a surprise. Are we gonna get started?
Right, you can't be looking for the whole time for clues. You just gotta go with it. What's the best side?
So this is a very simple thing that I'm doing, but so pumpkin has a nose.
For God's sake. What now? So what's your favourite Halloween thing you've dressed up as?
Probably a depressed 12-year-old.
Oh my god, yeah, did you do that one? Yeah. I think my favourite would have to be when me and my friends did 3 of the Jokers.
Yeah, I saw that picture, it was good.
It's amazing.
I went to a Halloween party when I was younger.
Yeah.
And the person's house that we're at,
Yeah.
she had a pond. And do you know a pond when they get all that green moss all over
yeah.
it? Me being young, thinking it's grass. So I'm like this, like, oh, come on, everyone, come over here. I'm running towards it, splash, right into it. I cried.
I've fell in a pond before. So yeah, Halloween is one of my favourite seasons.
I've started to love Halloween as I've gotten older.
I love Halloween.
It's
Halloween
all
and Christmas.
Like going out. Like when you're younger and then you go past an age where you don't really do it. But then you get back into it.
When you
It's
go
like
out.
Halloween parties.
Yeah, every year. This will be the first year I've not gone out for Halloween. Oh my god!
Sorry, but
Don't.
what are you doing?
I'm carving a pumpkin!
Pumpkin in your hair.
Shut up, do I? It's not my hair. You know what? We've got a really good idea for you. We're gonna carve some pumpkins. No, but on a real though, this is just infuriating me. I'm getting rather angry.
I'm sorry, but
This
I don't
will
think
take forever.
Sasha ever carves pumpkins because by looking,
How dare you!
looking at
Oh
what
my
she's
god!
doing, she's basically cut an outline and she's cutting it into it, thinking it'll show something. But no, when she pops it out, it's all gonna come out.
Look at you now! Look at me! Ah! What's your favourite Halloween film? Halloween.
I don't watch Halloween films. Well, I don't watch films
Scary
like because you got that Hocus Pocus and everything. I've never watched
Oh, I
that.
love Hocus Pocus. Alright, what's your favourite scary
What?
movie?
Yeah, but I love like Halloween.
I know
'cause I
you
love
do.
slasher films.
You love slasher films. Oh, guys, just so as well, no one sent in any fan art last week, or it's just been delayed.
And that, guys, I think I have done. My fingers feel disgusting.
Yeah, same.
I feel like I need to wipe this down because it looks like someone's thrown up on my pumpkin. Yeah, disclaimer, we're not artists.
Wow. Speak for yourself. Oh no, this is a fail because you can't actually see. It's not fair that you can see mine.
Well, you didn't have to face this way.
Oh god. What do you mean is that it,
Oh,
you cheeky witch?
No, I meant, is that how you done?
2 hours later.
I am done. D-U-N-N.
Well, mine is inspired from one of our previous videos we've done.
Oh, tell me more, tell me more.
It is
Chanel! Chanel! That's amazing. You've carved a parrot out.
It doesn't look like a parrot.
And
Chanel!
birds, and I've done...
That's all I've been hearing in my head the past few nights.
Chanel! Oh, I feel
What?
like mine's a letdown.
That is mine. What is yours, Sasha?
Well, hold your horses, because you're about to be slam pie! It's a pie tattoo.
I love it!
I love it! I don't know how that's gonna look. 3, 2, 1.
There we have it. I don't know if you can see them.
Bear in mind when you rate us, please, that it's the lighting.
Just first, not best way, we do not carve pumpkins regularly. You might think we do, but
We don't.
yeah. So that is the end of our video today. If you liked it,
Please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, help us out.
make sure you vote whose was better.
Yeah, tell us in the comments
Personally, I think we
below.
both know
It's mine.
it is not hers.
Mine would be good without with the light. I'm telling you.
It'd be better if we actually knew what we were doing with our
Yeah.
lives. But yeah, and we're also starting a new shout out thing. So
Yeah.
our first shout out today goes to
Goes to Lozo1@hotmail.co.uk. It's you. Please go and check out her YouTube page. She does Minecraft tutorials, and she is the Minecraft queen. That's Loza Mac. Thanks for your support, guys. If you want a shout out in next week's video, comment.
you
It's all
have to actually
tips.
comment though to be in it. We're not just
Yeah.
gonna pick random people.
So yeah, we hope you enjoyed. This was just like a fun little
Just a Halloween
special.
Also, we have started our new Instagram now.
Yep.
Wait, that is in the
Please.
link below.
Please follow at A Slice of Pie official. I've had it. Officially. My bitch trying to really come for me. So thank you for watching if you
Thank
did.
you.
And if you didn't, as
We will
always.
see you next time. Peace.
Goodbye.